Hello students, welcome to this online teaching learning process of subject mobile application. We are in the third unit, that is components and layouts, in which we are studying the different layout structure about how to design the our activity for an Android application. Today's our layout structure is absolute layout. So the learning outcome includes we will see the basic introduction of what is absolute layout, the different attributes related to the absolute layout, and the example of absolute layout. POs mapped are PO1, PO4, PO6 and PO7. So coming to absolute layout lets you specify exact locations, that is XY coordinates of its children. As we can see, layout is the basic structure in which we can arrange our components or controls. So in the absolute layout structure, we have to specify the XY coordinates in pixels to its children. Absolute layouts are less flexible and harder to maintain than any other types of layouts without absolute positioning. So this is rarely used layout while designing any Android application, because in this we have to specify each and every XY position of every children we have used inside the layout. So it is much more difficult to implement. So as we can see, we have to specify the location or the position of each and every component we have used inside the absolute layout structure, that is XY coordinates. First component has XY coordinate of 20, 36. 20 is the X position, 35 or 36 is the Y position. Similarly, for second component we have specified the XY coordinates, likewise for the third. So it is very difficult to implement this type of XY coordinates inside the layout. So it is rarely used structure. The different attributes related to absolute are ID, which is the most important. We have to specify the ID of the absolute layout. Next is layout X, that is the X coordinate of the view, and layout Y, that is the Y coordinate of the. Coming to the example, first line we have to specify, that is absolute layout, XMLS Android, and the hyperlink is not required. Attribute of layout is Android layout width, that is fill parent, and height is fill parent. This attribute will specify that our layout structure is has occupied the complete UI screen of our mobile device. Fill parent means according to the size of the parent screen, in which we have taken two components, that is button and button. So the layout width we have specified, that is 100. Layout height, wrap content means according to the size of the text we will use on that button, it will wrap itself accordingly. Layout X property we have given as 50 pixels, that is X coordinate is 50 pixel, it will start from 50 pixel, and height we have given is 361 pixel. Similarly, for second button we have given layout X attribute as 225 pixel and layout Y as 361 pixel. So the output will be accordingly there like this. OK button, we have specified the X coordinate and Y coordinate. Similarly, for the cancel button we have provided layout X and layout Y attribute accordingly. So the positioning will be like this. This type of layout is very rarely used while designing an Android application. So MSBT related questions are: explain the absolute layout with any one example and list the attributes of absolute layout. So we have learned today about the absolute layout, attributes related to absolute layout, and a simple example of absolute layout. So thanks for watching the video. In the next coming video we will see about the relative layout